Well, meanwhile, as Yuma Regional Medical Center continues to see a steady increase in the number of COVID-19 patients, staffing has become one of the major challenges. News 11's Adonis Albright sat down with YRMC's top doctor to discuss how the hospital is tackling the issue. In studio tonight, Adonis.
Yuma Regional Medical Center has been at the forefront of the pandemic since it came to the desert Southwest. YRMC's president and CEO, Dr. Robert Trenchel, is now speaking out about some of the challenges the hospital is facing as the number of cases continue to rise. Staffing. It's an issue many hospitals around the country have been grappling with. But Dr. Robert Trenchel tells me this is affecting Yuma County at twice the rate of the rest of the country.
It's really a volume issue because right now, we've got some nursing staff and other support staff out with COVID, and because they contracted it. We're proud to say nobody's contracted it here on the job.
YRMC currently has 3 COVID units. The number of hospitalizations has been steadily climbing over the past few weeks, with more than 24 patients in the intensive care unit. If this trend continues, more ICU beds could be made available, but there's still one obstacle.
It's something that we want to do, we'd like to do to be able to prepare. We don't have the staff to do it right now.
Governor Doug Ducey recently announcing help is on the way for hospitals across the Grand Canyon state. YRMC is receiving a strike team of about 20 nurses in the coming days, a much-needed asset to combat a surge in COVID-19 patients, with frontline workers already stretched thin. For those who have been giving it their all for months on end, Dr. Trenchel is praising their hard work and dedication.
They want to be here, they want to help, they continue to come to work, they continue to care for their friends and neighbors, and continue to make sure that the hospital is running effectively. So for that, we're just all so appreciative for everything our staff is doing.
Dr. Trenchel is also sending a familiar message to the community that's been echoed by health officials around the globe. Mask up.
I don't like wearing a mask either. I admit it, I don't like wearing it, but I do because I know it works and I know I have to, and I know I have to do it to keep my staff safe and others safe. That's why we do it.
YRMC says they have the latest treatments available to treat COVID-19 patients that have gotten the green light from the FDA. Now, this includes remdesivir as well as the antibody cocktail, which has been proven to be effective in combating the virus. In the studio, Adonis Albright, News 11.